At the time of this recording, it will be about 1 week until the Christmas market in Esslingen will open up, and I wanted to kind of document the work the people put in my town right now to set everything up for this special Christmas market. And therefore I took out my Leica Q3 43 out for a quick shoot, and this is the photo walk I ended up, which you will now watch. My name is Phil, aka Phil. Thank you for clicking on this video, and I hope you will enjoy this POV session. Since every person is here doing their best and working hard to set everything up, I thought I will just let the ambient noise speak for itself and try something different by not including any kind of music. Let me know your opinion about this.
Wollte ich gerade sagen, ich hätte die Schrittwagen.
Sarah-Frage schnell, hier ist geil. Sarah! Sarah! Hast du kurze Schrauben? 40er! 40er? 40er Schrauben! 40er haben wir auch.
The last photos I want to show you is basically a small house which will symbolize the nativity scene of Christmas. And if everything is up and running, here will be also one real donkey and some sheeps, which will be running around this nativity scene, and this scene is quite popular among children, of course, because they are able to see some animals. If you're curious which kind of camera accessories I use for my Q3 currently, the camera accessory company JJC asked me if I would be interested to test some of their products, and I agreed under the term that I'm not obliged to do any kind of video review, and they were cool about that. But I have to say that the stuff I got from them, especially the thumb grip and the normal grip, I like very much and use them every day. Especially the grip I prefer because you have the cutouts to access your SD card and your battery. The lens hood is also kind of nice, but I mentioned that before. I prefer the square design, but that's personal preference. So if you're interested, check the affiliate links below in the description. I hope you enjoyed this POV session. I will definitely do some additional ones when the Christmas market has opened next week. So stay tuned for that if you're interested. If you're still here until this point, thank you very much for your time watching. You're the one who deserves the like for that. And if you want to support my small little channel, just check the affiliate links below in the description, or buy me a coffee, also below in the description. And if you're interested to watch more videos on my channel, just click on one of these and have a nice day.